lovely people, welcome to the vlog Portugal Splash Part 2. So just a recap of the last vlog, we saw two things, that is a visit to San Domingo's church, a wonderful dolphin show in the zoo, and today I'm gonna show you around in Lisbon. Go to Santa Justa Lift, go to one of the best gardens in Lisbon, and finally going to Praça de Comércio. So let me have my breakfast today before we roll out today's activities. There is tea, milk, coffee, fresh juice, freshly baked bread. Take whatever you want, sit near window, have a glance outside, and just relax and enjoy this breakfast. This is what I call simple and tasty breakfast. And without wasting much time, we are on track to begin our day's activity. And this is what you see when you're in Lisbon. All monumental buildings, some local delicacies, a fresh fish and sausages.
Or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
We got into so many shops, but things are very expensive. No much choice, and when you find your choice, they're very expensive. And these are mostly souvenir shops.
Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna
So this is Praça do Rocio, and that's a national monument theater. This is a famous fountain in Rocio Square. We're just waiting for the fountain to give out water. Oh gosh. There you go. It started sprinkling water. Oh, that's a long queue, man. So this is a famous Santa Justa lift, and we are here to climb right on top to get some aerial shots. This is gonna be a very long queue. We are almost close now. My son is traveling me. We are in this queue for 50 minutes, but this man is really entertaining us like a proper pro. Right now we are in Santa Justa, at the bottom of the Santa Justa lift. And we are finally. It was a hell of a time, guys, and we are finally here. Let me show you the way over here. This is all chaotic, man. I tell you what, all are so very eager and excited, anxious to just go out from the lift. There you go. I think we've reached now. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Finally, I'm on top of the world. Man, this is so awesome. There are some iron grills, but it's really windy over here, and we are right on top. A lot many people here. It's very windy. It's evening time now. And I think there is another stairs up going down there. So once we have a view from here, we can climb on top. We have to still go right on top to get a proper view. Though the steps are few, but I feel so tired to climb up. And man, is it really worth going there? Whoa, 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 wait a minute. Wow. I know this is once in a lifetime experience, so I don't want to stop shooting videos. It's quite windy, cold, and I'm not scared at all, but it's really awesome to see the whole of Lisbon. I can see all the structures from here. There's some restaurants here, right on top. It's like you just feel like getting lost in this. You see, these kebab shops are everywhere. Let me try some kebabs from Lisbon. How much is it? 6 euros. Okay, so my mom doesn't want to eat kebab, so she wants to eat somewhere outside in one of these restaurants. So now that we are done with our meals, my mom and my son wants to go to the room and just relax. So we'll just drop them, and Vanessa and myself will be both together. We'll be on our own to explore the remaining activities. This is famous railway station which connects you to Sintra. We are heading towards one of the best gardens in Russia called São Pedro de Alcântara, and it's right up on hill. You need to take a tram to go there. We're just waiting for the tram. I really don't know if the tram is working. I've asked few people, some they said like it's not working, but some of the locals, they said like it is working. Seriously, this tram is not working and we have to go on foot. This is what every vlogger has to do, I think, whenever he wants to gain something or trying to create his step. Climbing uphill was not bad actually. It's a different experience. We had no options since the trams are shut down for 10 days. And finally, here we are, almost reached. But it's so unfortunate, they have some maintenance work going on in the garden and will not be able to enjoy it. Well, let me take some B-rolls. And look at this view. We were aboard these trams, but since the maintenance work going on, these trams are just shut down here. Okay, so we are downhill now, back in Russia, and we are heading towards Praça de Comércio. This is one of the best places I always like to go in the evenings to enjoy the fresh air and just to see the rush of people in all the eateries.
Do you see this structure? It is, from inside it is completely broken. They are trying to put up a new structure, but still they are trying to preserve the front side, that's the old structure. And see the way how they have fenced it, they have protected the front one with the iron beams. It's pretty amazing. They are so desperate to keep the old structure, monumental buildings, though they're going for modernizing stuff. They're trying to blend in modern as well as olden structures, and they're doing it so well and with so much of safety.
Thank you.
We picked up some local food. It's a fried fish in a bread with gravy. I think it's gonna be tasty. When I'm in different place, I like to eat food of that place rather than hunting the food of my taste. And that is how you can immerse yourself fully into that place and enjoy it. That's me standing there doing nothing, but just imagining how a model would stand for a photo shoot.
Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Vicious perceptive.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah.
Oh, beautiful ladies. Let me give it a try to flirt with them.
Guys, you see these girls? They are just not pretty, but they are doing some pretty work over here. See their speed and their skill. You tell them any name and they just do it in seconds.
In my head, underneath rays of gold.
They were so kind enough to let us in, and they just said like, you just enter in and just explore the place. They are not forcing us to buy their stuff, but to pop into their store and just enjoy the stuff that they are doing. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, Andrea.
Andrea. So Andrea, all these things, have you done all these things on your own?
Yes.
This were done by you all. And is she the only one, or are you all who are doing all this? All are not involved, just she.
No.
You're all involved in doing this. And how much do you charge to do that? How much do you all charge?
But maybe.
Money? How much
Yeah.
to do that? It depends.
Yeah.
What size and stuff like that, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
But it's the same price with the name
All right, okay.
or whatever you want.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Andrea.
Lose control.
Hold on. Okay.
Find you anywhere. Been trying for too long. I give up out of luck.
Right now I'm in Praça de Comer, so it's a famous square, and we see so many restaurants out there. People just flock here to have their meals in the evenings. There are beautiful restaurants. What's your name?
Yeah, I am Praveen Kumar
He's Praveen Kumar from?
from India.
Okay, this is the place, guys, wherein usually in the evenings you have some concert or the other, and you see that fire where they are sitting. That's usually typical about Portuguese restaurants, especially in the evenings. And see the beauty.
So tonight, I want to give a surprise to Vanessa by taking her to one of the restaurants. Like I said, that I would be taking my wife to one of the restaurants, and it was this restaurant where I took her. We enjoyed it, we loved it. Fortunately, I didn't record everything because I wanted to keep it a private. If you like this vlog, then guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So with this said, I would like to end this vlog by saying peace, and I'll see you in the next vlog, Portugal Splash Part 3.